And if you look at the Ethereum itself, I mean, we have very nice 5 waves up, and now we are in a 3-wave retracement. And last time we discussed about this level that is very important, 2100, 2000 figure. It has been a support a few times, then a resistance here in March, and now again potential support. So I think that that's a very beautiful sharp deep correction. Of course, we can still retest the 61.8%, but overall I just think that there is a chance we will stabilize and turn to the upside. The confirmation that we really are going to see more further upside would be if we cross this wave A swing high, because that's where any kind of a bearish impulsive interpretations, okay, would be invalidated, because wave 4 must not tread into territory of a wave A. Also, if you look at the Ethereum from an old school basic perspective, you can see potential head and shoulders. Okay, so that's a left shoulder head, and now you are at the potential support of a right shoulder, where this one is very similar in distance, obviously. So that's a very nice key support, and I really like this method especially when it's going very nicely with the Elliott wave principle, because someone would be looking in such cases for potential head and shoulder bottom formation, even when you have maybe a 3-wave rise here from within this leg. So that's how you can filter basically good head and shoulders patterns and bad head and shoulders patterns if you're using both methods, Elliott waves with this basic old school technical analysis. Looking also at Bitcoin, what I really like about the Bitcoin and this whole price action is that here, if I hide this for a moment, that here in the middle we had some overlaps. Okay, so these overlaps, because ranges were contracting here, looks like it's a triangle, and if it's a triangle, then we know that this cannot be wave 2 that will take us much lower for a wave 3 of an impulse. So this is a very important indication that we could be in trying to complete this counter trend movement, and that this is a 3-wave drop. So we basically retested first support that we already discovered last week in our webinar here around 98,000, 99,000.